myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Blue and welcome back to another video. I'm at the park right now. I thought this would be more fun to record instead of the setup and everything. So today I'm going to be doing the video talking about my whole entire trip to Florida. So it all started last week. We woke up at 5 a.m. and then we drove to North Carolina. We stayed with some family there, and then we drove to Jacksonville. I've never been to Jacksonville, Florida, but I've been to Orlando and Fort Lauderdale. And once we got to Jacksonville, the day before we got there, there was a tropical storm actually moving in, and the ocean was just really not in the best condition, but yet we still went to go ahead and, you know, have some fun time at the beach because we were all looking really forward to, you know, having a fun time there. So we go down, and that is when I tried skimboarding for the first time and completely wiped out the third time I actually tried. It was absolutely crazy. I have a huge bruise on my right thigh. Crazy. So anyways, that happened. We pretty much just called it a day after skimboarding because it was really not the best conditions. So then after that, we go home and then just go ahead and get some food, order in, because we weren't really going to any restaurants, social distancing. And the next day, we wake up again at 5 a.m., drive 2 hours to our first dive spot at Jenny Springs. Sorry if you can hear the wind, it's really noisy. So we get to our first dive spot. There's 2 dives, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and let me just say, it was honestly amazing, and you guys really have to go ahead and check out the scuba montage I made right here. Thank you all so much for the support on that video. It was literally insane, and all the comments made me smile. It was awesome, so thank you. The first dive we did in the morning got kind of, you know, used to being back in the water. And the second dive is when we explored most of the amazing cave systems at Jenny Springs, and it was amazing. So that was the first day. Then we just come home, and like usual, we just go ahead and hang out for the rest of the day because, you know, we wake up super early. We're kind of tired, so we just have a fun time at the beach. But then the next day we go to Blue Grotto, which I still have to go ahead and upload that montage, but I want to go ahead and get this video out first. So Blue Grotto is the second place that we go to, another spring location, and that is where it is even deeper, so it's good to practice more depth, so that was awesome. So we did 2 dives there again, and after that I am now officially a certified diver, and that was day 3. And day 4 was pretty much just a hangout time where we could just go ahead and enjoy the beach. So that was pretty much everything for my vacation. I got a lot of sun. I got some cool t-shirts at this one place called Salt Life, including this lanyard. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Make sure to go ahead, follow me on my social medias, Twitter and Instagram. Join the Discord server. You can buy some new pineapple merch that I just released. It would really mean a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Alright, this is Bear Grylls here, and we're venturing into the deep forest. Oh my gosh. I just thought this was a nice place. Looks really cool. It's under this really big tree, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for today. And let me know if you guys want some more vlogs like this. I'm having really fun recording. And yeah. Also, it's really nice because I can do the Casey Neistat thing and look in the LCD screen, and you guys wouldn't even know. It's great.